Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get this fabulous halo eye using a bunch of bright ass colors. When I first started out in makeup, I was so afraid to play with anything that included a bright or bold color. I used to stick to so many neutrals because I was afraid I was going to bugger something up on my eyes and look like a fool. But since then, I've played with so much makeup, and honestly, at the end of a long day, I come home, I sit in front of my vanity, and I start playing with a bunch of different colors to see what I can make work. And through a lot of trial and error, I finally figured out how to use bright and bold colors. And I wanted to share this little tutorial with you to tell you that it is possible to use fun, bright colors. I think a lot of people who choose to use bright colors take more of an artistic approach. I am really not an artist. I am completely self-taught when it comes to makeup, so I may not have the cleanest lines or the best blend, but I do try to make things really wearable. This isn't a look that I would wear to work by any means. Mind you, it would take me forever to create this look in the morning, and who's got time for that? For me, this is actually a look that I would wear out to dinner in the evening, or if I was gonna have a fun night out with the girls, maybe even on vacation, I would bust this out because I will likely be somewhere tropical. Whatever the case is, don't be afraid to use bold and bright colors, because at the end of the day, you can just wipe all of this off and none of it will matter. My ultimate message in this video is to let you know that you should not be afraid to use bold and bright colors. Even if you try something at home and you don't like it, you can always wipe it off. Nothing is ever permanent when it comes to makeup. If you decide to create a bright and bold eye look, make sure you tag me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, or Facebook. I would love to see it. And if you try to recreate this look, again, tag me on all of those social media platforms because I would love to see all of your artistic renditions. So let's move over to the tutorial and play with these two fabulous palettes here. This one is from Lime Crime. I think this was a 10th anniversary edition or maybe like a birthday edition palette. It's got so many fun bright colors, and I ended up using this gold here as well as this sort of coral-like color. And I also use this fun bright tropic palette. This is the Slice of Paradise from Ace Beauty. I really love all of these colors. The mattes in here are phenomenal. They have such incredible pigmentation, and I tried to use several of them in this particular look. So without any further ado, let's dive into it. hope you enjoyed learning how to get this fabulous look right here. If you did, you know the drill. Give the video a big thumbs up, and heck, if you've watched this far into the video, hit that subscribe button as well to join my makeup family here on YouTube. If you want to keep up with me outside of this whole YouTube shenanigan business, you can always get in touch with me on all of my social media platforms, which I'm going to link for you in the description box below. Thank you again so much for watching. I hope you are all having an amazing day no matter where you are in the world. Stay beautiful, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!